Today we'll see how Alien for Cloud integrates to a DevOps pipeline as a cornerstone. For this use case, we will deploy a pet clinic web application. We can have a look to the blueprint. And it's a simple blueprint with, on the left side, the Docker components with the application code, and on the right side, the Docker component with the database. Both containers will be deployed and will run on Kubernetes. We can have a look on the deployed app. Just have to click on the link. So this is the running app, and now as an application developer I want to update this message. So how are we going to proceed? Let's see on the slide. So first we'll have to modify the code and push it into a Git repository. Then launch a job from Jenkins to build the WAR file and then build the Docker image. The WAR file and the Docker image are stored in Nexus. Once done, Jenkins triggers the deployment in Alien for Cloud through the REST API, and the Docker image is retrieved at runtime. Finally, the application is automatically deployed with the last changes. For the demo, other software are running on Amazon, but everything could be installed on premise. We have the use case, so now let's do it for real. So let's connect here. So this is the welcome message. We can edit it directly on the code. Welcome to DevOps, for example. Save. Okay, now I want to commit the changes. Commit, take message. My modification is done. I just have to trigger a job in Jenkins. So let's go to Jenkins. Here. I select the job all-in-one build pet clinic. The job has already been configured to build the code and update the application in Alien for Cloud. Okay, project all-in-one build. Launch a build. The build is starting. We can have a look to the console to see what's going on. As we said first, it will build the WAR with some unit tests, and in a minute we should see Jenkins trigger the undeployment and the deployment of the app. So we said the softwares were running on Amazon. We can have a look in the meantime. So here we have Nexus, the Cloudify Manager, Jenkins, and Alien for Cloud. We can also have a look to Nexus. So in Nexus we have the Docker repository where the images are stored, and also the Maven snapshot repository for the WAR files. So let's go back to Pet Clinic. So here we can see that the end deployment has been triggered in Alien for Cloud. We can have a look now. And yes, for our dev environment, the end deployment is in progress. You can see the progress in the runtime view. Pet Clinic and MySQL are uninstalling. Should be quick now. Done. Now we see that the deployment has been automatically triggered by Jenkins. If we have a look in Jenkins, we have the same log, deploying application. And in the same way, it should take few seconds to deploy the application. So MySQL should run first. We can have a look to Kubernetes. This is where our containers are running. It's in progress. So MySQL is up. and pet clinic should be up in few seconds. Done. We can have a look to our deployed app from the information screen, dev environment. Let's click on the app. And that's it. Our app is up to date with the last changes.